I'm making another video that I'm probably not going to get around to editing for several months. I've completely moved house. I live in this wonderful area with wonderful concrete. I mean, look at this. I just found this trail system I didn't even know existed. That's a snake. I don't know where I am. So I just got some belt slippage on acceleration. It's so comfy. Only thing that would make this spot better is if there was electricity. Nope, no electricity. Echo. Damn it. Get in there. Yeah, it still kind of sucks. And I've now paid $50 to have it re-welded twice and $100 for the board, so we're at this is an $800 board now. And it took a lot of work. I mean, a lot of work. Would I recommend it now? Not really. There's other kits out there. The DIY Eboard hub motors, I hear, are actually okay. I wouldn't recommend their belt kit, though. It's pretty bad. Anyway, we are very close to 500 subscribers. Thank you. This rounds out the electric skateboard series, so you can all unsubscribe now. Bye.